Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, what is a standard drink measurement? It allows you to determine if you are getting what you paid for. It is a consistent way of measuring the amount of alcohol in a drink. It allows you to determine what is inside of a mixed drink. It is a measurement determine if you are legally drunk. And answer the question, the correct answer is, it is a consistent way of measuring the amount of alcohol in a drink. A standard drink measurement is defined unit used to measure the amount of alcohol in a beverage. It provides consistency in understanding or comparing the alcohol content across different types of drink. This helps individuals monitor their alcohol consumption and understanding its effect. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.